Hi everyone, my name is Celia Otero and I will be training you today in MathType Moodle plugin. As you can see, we are logged in our Learning Hub and we have these hidden icons here, and you can click in here to show and hide the advanced buttons because our MathType is going to be in the advanced buttons. So we have MathType equation here, and we are going to be typing in an equation with star, with the y, input the equal sign, and we are typing in just now, but we can use the menu that we have here. They call it a palette, let's say it like that, and then we select the operation that we need to input there. As we are going to put the numerator and the denominator, we are going to put that there, and with the keyboard we input the values. Okay, I click next to it to make sure I input in the correct space. Click in here and you are going to have the operations already by default created here. So we are going to use this one. We are not going to use the parentheses, so you can bold it and erase it, and we are going to add the minus C, and we are going to add an exponent. So to add an exponent, you can click on Control in the superscript, Control and up. That's what I'm going to do, and then or you can click over here. It's easier. Okay, so we input the 2 as our exponent, and then we can add the rest of the equation. We need to add a plus and minus sign. We click here in the menu, and then we need to find the correct Greek symbols that we need to input here. And we have to go here. You see in the tab it says Greek letters and numbers, or you can use the alternate key plus the 4, number 4. So we click here. It's an easy way to go, and we need a symbol from one of these, and this is the symbol that we need, the mu. And then we are going to make a space with the space bar, and we are going to add another operation. In this case as well, we don't need the parentheses. I'm going to eliminate them. I'm going to add a space, and I'm going to type in the letter X. I'm sorry, this has to be lowercase. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you just bold the equation and come here, and you can change the colors. To emphasize, you can bold it. At this point, we don't want it to be in red. We are just going to use a neutral color. In this case, it's black, and we are going to put it like that. And that's the equation that we need to input. And we have to make sure that before we hit OK, that our mouse or the cursor is on the correct place before we click on OK. So my cursor is it was pointing there. Okay, Okay, so that's the example that we need to add, and how it's done. So you see, as soon as you finish, it will leave the application or the plugin, and then you are going to save it. Okay, and that's how we use mask type. Thank you so much for listening, and you have a wonderful day.